This is the Facebook monetization video that you have been looking for. So in this video, I'll show you how to qualify and apply for the Facebook monetization and earn revenue from Facebook using the Facebook approved method, even if you're applying from the non-eligible countries. Now, I know there are so many creative ways you can make money with your Facebook account. That is not what this particular video is about. What I mean by Facebook monetization in this video is that Facebook will be the one paying you directly through their monetization platforms. So here I am not talking about you selling your own product or doing affiliate marketing with Facebook. I mean Facebook full monetization. And even if you're a Nigerian or you live in any region of the world and you have probably been told that you cannot monetize your Facebook profile, smile and relax, because at the end of this video you will be able to apply for the monetization from anywhere, even the so-called ineligible countries, using a legit monetization process, and I don't mean using VPN here. So just keep watching, because in a few minutes I will show you how to go about applying for the Facebook monetization. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos like this. So first things first, who is qualified to apply for the Facebook monetization? Anybody that has a Facebook account is qualified to apply for the Facebook monetization. And how does Facebook monetization work? Now, Facebook monetization works almost the same way YouTube monetization does its own. Once your Facebook channel is monetized, Facebook will place ad on your videos and then you get a share of the monetization revenue. You can monetize both your live video, the videos you have shot live in time past, or any other video that you upload on your Facebook profile. Also, you can earn money from subscription. So follow me to my Facebook dashboard and let me show you every step on the way on how to apply for the Facebook monetization. So here I am in my Facebook dashboard. And once you're logged in, come over here, expand this see more arrow and click the Meta Business Suite tab. Actually, you can also directly log into your Meta Business Suite by opening business.facebook.com on another tab on your browser. Just make sure that you are logged into your Facebook account before doing so. So now come to the sidebar and locate this monetization tab and click it. Okay, so this is the monetization dashboard. Before now, there used to be a strong difference between your normal Facebook account and your business pages. But now, even though the difference between a Facebook account and a Facebook business page still remains, but now we can actually refer to both your Facebook account and your Facebook business pages or page as your profile. What this means is that you can monetize different aspects of your Facebook profiles. So if you have 3 business pages and a normal Facebook home feed, you can actually monetize the 4 Facebook profiles and earn money separately from the 4 of them. So you will have to come here and select the Facebook profile that you want to monetize. So let's assume that this business page is the profile that I wish to monetize. I'll just make sure that I don't migrate away from it here, meaning that every information and statistics on this dashboard is for this particular profile. So here we have 3 tabs: the overview, the branded content, and the policy issues. For the sake of monetization, the overview and the policy issues are the 2 that matter to us here. So you can see here that this particular Facebook page can monetize because there is no monetization bridges here. And if you come here at policy issues, you will see that this page is clean, and so this page passes the stage 1 of the monetization criteria. So let's come here to the next and most important stage of monetization: eligibility. There are 3 ways that you can monetize your Facebook page. The first is the in-stream ad. And here, Facebook will include ads if you publish your original videos, and the amount of money you will make, of course, will depend on how well your video performs. But to qualify, you must have 5,000 Facebook followers and at least 60,000 total eligible minutes viewed in the last 60 days. That is 1,000 hours in the previous 3 months. For YouTube, it is 4,000 watch hours in 1 year, right? So which do you think is the easier way to monetize between Facebook and YouTube? You can share your opinion with me in the comment section. You must also have at least 5 active videos on your page, which is not a big deal. Then for the second, which is the in-stream ad for live videos, this one is for you if you love to make live videos. All your past and current live videos can actually be monetized. But the eligibility criteria for this one is 10,000 followers on your profile and 600,000 minutes in the last 60 days, including at least 60,000 eligible live minutes viewed. I hope you understand that. It actually means that in 3 months you should have a total of at least 10,000 watch hours and at least 1,000 watch hours that are live. You must also have at least 5 active videos on your page, including at least 3 previously live videos. I guess that is straightforward enough. And the third is the subscription, which will be very good for you if you have product and subscription plans. So what you really want to do to be eligible is to start creating very engaging videos and start compiling your followers and watch hours. Then come over here to view your eligibility. So here is where you can monitor your status and how you're progressing with your eligibility. Once you qualify, this criteria not met will change to a button that you can apply with. If you click this drop down arrow, you will be able to monitor how you're growing and progressing with your eligibility to apply for the Facebook monetization. So that is just how it is. So if you live in some countries in Africa like Nigeria or some Asian countries and you notice that Facebook monetization is presently not approved in your country of residence, what you should do is simple. And this method is even better if you are currently not yet qualified for the Facebook monetization. Now, before you start working towards your monetization, what you want to do is to look for someone that you trust who presently live in a country where the Facebook monetization is allowed. All you have to do is to request that this person becomes one of the admins of that Facebook page that you want to monetize. Don't worry, you are permitted to have more than one admin for your Facebook pages. Now, once this person accepts the admin invitation, then this person can actually apply for the Facebook monetization on your behalf from his or her location, and that is all the person will have to do. You can keep on monitoring your page and your content from wherever country that you reside in. Now, if you're already qualified for the Facebook monetization but you don't have anybody living in any country where the monetization is allowed, then you can contact me through my contact details in the video description and I will be willing to help you. So, if you think you love the idea of earning from Facebook, then start posting your videos, and if you do your work right, you will be eligible soon enough, and then you can start earning some cool dollars from Facebook monetization. Let me know what you think about this money making idea in the comment section. Please, if you found this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up so YouTube can recommend it to more persons looking for this kind of information. For more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel if you have not already done so, and then turn on the alert bell so YouTube can notify you when I release my next videos. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.